Music is a universal language with the ability to communicate across cultures and overcome language barriers. It's a powerful aspect of celebrations that's used to lift spirits and bring friends and family together. During the Spring Festival in China, music is used in celebration to help express good wishes and hopes for the new year. With some simple coding, I programmed an Adafruit Neotrellis to play a traditional New Year melody for our celebration of the Lunar New Year. I added a few elements to this project, including a 3D printed dragon head on top of a servo motor that follows the red and gold dancing LEDs. From all of us here at Digikey, we wish you good fortune, happiness, and prosperity in the new year. 新年快乐!